I want to talk today about the importance of bringing your consultant teams together early, and specifically your AV consultant. If you are going through a project, if it's a renovation or it's a new construction, you're going to bring a whole bunch of consultants to the table, right? You're going to have probably an architect, a general contractor, electrician, and they're going to be, part of that construction team. And at the same point that you're bringing on those people, you want to bring on your AV partner. And the reason why is that when they are at the table early, they can help you. They can spot red flags. They can have discussions of things that could be potential problems down the road. But they can only do that if you bring them on at the same time as the other consultants. And of all the things that we talk to people about, this one tip can prevent so many problems. I was in a class one time years ago, and I heard somebody describe problems like a baby Godzilla. And what that means is you can see a potential problem early on, and it's like a little baby Godzilla, right? And when Godzilla is a baby, he's easier to deal with, right? You can squash him when he's a baby. If you don't identify that early and Godzilla grows into the full-fledged adult Godzilla, that's a little bit harder to deal with, right? Bigger problem, much harder to make that go away. And so all that is why you want to bring the AV consultant on early. That's why timing is everything. And if you're going through a project like that, you're getting ready to embark on a project like that, we have a team here that has been through that project hundreds and hundreds of times, and we would love to help you navigate through all those things that come up when you're building an AV system. And so if you'd like to start a conversation, we have a team that would love to talk to you, love to help, and you can start that process at avconversation.com.